the Edit Pro, a channel dedicated to training you so well in video editing and graphic editing using CapCut, InShot, and all other good instruments that will give you a good and quality job. Doesn't matter whether you are just a learner, you're a beginner, or you're a pro. In our channel, you will learn a lot. So if you are coming for the first time, do well to subscribe to the channel, share the video, and do what? Like, comment in the comment section. I would so much love that, so that we can move together forward in this channel. Okay, see you in the video.
You are welcome back. In today's video, I will be taking you through navigating the Canva app on mobile phone. That is, how to use Canva on mobile phone. You open your Canva app on your phone. So you are going to see this page. Immediately you open the Canva app. So the first thing we can see at the top left corner here is the hamburger sign, which is the 3 white lines at the top left corner. So under this place, what you can find is just a menu bar where information about your account can be found. So though there are a lot of things here, but I wouldn't like to bombard us with much information. So let us go straight to other things. So here you have the search bar. So you can use at least words to search for anything. Just describe anything you want. Maybe you want to do or you want to see in Canva. It's going to bring it out. For example, let me just type Facebook cover. Facebook cover. You search for it. So it's going to load up and come up with templates of various Facebook covers which you may like to create, or you just want to like to play with it or to design something like this. And you can click the plus sign here, which is the create button, in case you don't want to follow any of the template here. You just want to start afresh and start over. You want to design from scratch, which I normally recommend for people to do. So I go back now to the home page. So after that, the first thing you can see here is for you. This for you is just what Canva can offer you, that you start seeing under this for you. So and what are the things that Canva can offer you? That's what that is showing immediately you open the Canva. So you can see social media. So I click on social media and immediately this comes up, and you can see these are social media templates. So ranging from Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and lots more. So if you scroll and see a lot of templates you can work with. So it depends on what you want to design. Even WhatsApp status, you can see Facebook covers, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube thumbnails. It depends. A lot of things you can just create with these templates, and you may decide to start afresh. So if you click video, under video, we have different templates related to videos. So you can see video, mobile video, Facebook video, Instagram reels, and so on and so forth. So it depends on what you want to create. Just click on it and it's going to show up for you. And another perfect thing here is that there is a fixed aspect ratio for different social media platform here. So if you are working, maybe you want to post on Instagram now. So if I click on it, it's going to load up a page for me that will be best, or that will perfectly fit for Instagram. So you will not need to alter the size, the width, and the height. You don't need to alter it, except you want to start to create something from scratch, which you can just click this create blank. So it depends on what you do. So the next one is the presentation. So if I click on presentation, so in case you want to present anything, you can just find the template here, or you start afresh. So it depends on what you want to actually create. So the next is the doc. So here we have documents. Maybe you want to write a letter, you want to do letterhead, or you want to do magazine, and so on and so forth. So you're gonna find everything here that has to do with documents. So the next is the whiteboard. So here you can create whiteboard animation with your Canva app, even on your phone, perfectly. So the template are here. Just click any of the template here, and it's going to load up, and you can even start afresh with a blank page. So you can start afresh with a blank page, and everything is gonna look fine for you. So the next one is the website here. So you can even start up creating a website on your mobile phone. You can see how beautiful this app is. So you can start creating a website. You see website, it depends, maybe business website, portfolio website, event website, education website, retail website, and lots more. So you can start, and you can start afresh as well. So you have a lot of template here that will make your work or your design easier. So having gone through all the icons or the menu bar at the top, I come down here. The first you can see is the home button. So the home button, what it means is that whenever you are doing anything in Canva app, wherever you are, So immediately you want to come back to the home page, just tap home button. So it's going to return you back to the home page. So immediately you tap home button. So that's just what the home is. Anywhere you find yourself, you can just return back to the home page by tapping the home button. So the next is the project. So if I click on project now, so it's going to show up maybe the work I have done recently. Though I have many works I have done, like many designs, but I have different Canva accounts. So on this one, these are my recent work, recent designs, and so on and so forth. So and so on and so forth, like that. A lot of designs. So you can see. So you can see a lot, and so on and so forth, like that. So that is the project. I go back to the home. So this plus sign is very, very important. This plus sign is very, very important. If you click on it now, it's going to show up everything you can do on Canva. You can see doc, auto size, mobile video, YouTube thumbnail, phone wallpaper, YouTube banner, logo, whiteboard, and so on and so forth. A lot of things you can do here. So, but it depends. So, but if you are starting afresh, maybe you don't want to use any of these formats. So actually, these ones are not template anyway, but they are just the perfect square for each social media you may want to create designs for. So let's say I want to create a logo, for instance. I can click on this custom size, and I'm going to insert the size, the width, and the height. So I usually use 500 by 500 for my logo. I will just click on create new design. So it's going to load up. It's going to load up a new page for me where I can just start my work. So I think it's the network. It's going to show up. I think it's the network. So now you can see. So it has shown up now. So I have a free page where I can start my logo design. So in case I want to design, I'm just using that as an example. So another thing here is template. So the template is just the whole thing we have been going through before. So you can see template, grow your business on TikTok. Canva will always suggest what you can do for you. So you can see a lot of things you can do here. You can create it very simple. So you can see feature collections, popular topics, a lot of things here. You can just find it on the template. So you just choose the one you want to work with. But I normally recommend you start your own so that nobody will be claiming your work later. So that's the perfect. But you can learn from what they have done here to make your own as well. So this one is Magic Studio. It's one of the new features on the Canva app. So it's just about AI, and a lot of things we can do with AI. So that is just all about Canva, navigating through the app. So you can see. So with this explanation, you should be able to work freely or to navigate freely on the Canva app. If you have not watched my video on what is Canva, please do so that you can have more knowledge on what you can do with this app. So I want to appreciate you for watching this video, and if you have any question or concern, or there is anything you want me to actually do, you can just put it up or put it down at the comment section. To find this video helpful, please, I want to encourage you to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. So this is going to encourage us to produce more video like this. Thanks for your time. I will see you in the next video.